Hey there, it's Chris from Cousins Paintball. So we just got these new Tippmann mag fit adapters in. These new mag fit adapters can fit into most Tippmann markers. Basically, the most known one, Tippmann 98, also Alpha Black and Project Salvos. So it's kind of cool. If you want to go play a mag-fed game, you don't have to spend another $300 on a new gun. Basically, all you have to do is you take your marker, take the feed neck, take it off, grab your new mag-fed adapter, slide it right on. It might take a little bit of pressure to push it on. It slides right back on. Take the mag, put it right in. It's kind of cool. Go from loader fed to mag fed really easily. Cool thing is, soon they're going to be coming out with the new 12-round magazines that are going to be first strike capable. You're going to have to manipulate your gun a little bit and cut a part away so first strike rounds will fit. We're going to be showing that in a later video once we get those magazines into the store. So let's go take this guy out and take a few shots. All right, so we're back here behind our shop. We're going to take a few shots. It's a little windy out, so let's get this going. Quick and easy reload. So guys, that's a new Tippmann mag fit adapter. If you want to see anything new or cool, just let us know in the comments below. Thanks.